everybody, my name is Terrill and today's episode of Eagle Eye on Eagle TV is sponsored by Luke's Cage. We were able to interview Traci, Cheryl, and Dr. Dukes that came to visit our CTE programs. So what did you think of our CTE programs today?
Well, I have to tell you that I've seen your CTE programs before several years ago, so it's been a while since I've been back on campus, and I am completely impressed with what I'm seeing right now. Great things are happening here at TLCA. You now have a real shop for welding. You also have a real culinary kitchen, and then your AV program is just phenomenal. So I am very impressed to see the growth that I haven't seen in a couple of years, but now coming back, it's amazing.
What did you like when you saw our programs?
Oh, I think the best thing that I liked when I saw your programs is that your teachers stepped back and let you do all the talking. That you showed us the processes, you showed us the software that you use, or in the kitchen you were going through the different processes and steps that you were making. There was all kinds of desserts and things being made over there, but really your teachers stood back and you did all the presentation. So I really liked that.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
So there's a lot of opportunities for school districts in Tom Green County. So you both know we live here in SanAngelo, and we have a lot of schools within the SanAngelo area. You know, SanAngelo ISD, TLCA, Cornerstone Christian, Trinity Lutheran. How many more private schools do we have? We have a lot of opportunities. You could go to Miles or Grape Creek or Christoval. They are all great. They really are. Each one of them do have unique things that others do not have. So I can tell you, like over at SanAngelo ISD, they have some health science programs like phlebotomy. Y'all don't have phlebotomy, but you have an amazing AV program that they do not have. So really, it's fitting the needs of the student. And I think that's great that you have these opportunities to decide what school fits your needs, where you feel like you're at home, and the community that you make. So it's all up to the school. They're all fantastic. I'm not going to say one bad thing about anybody. They all have their unique steps and places that they can be and things they can do for kids. Like you could do swimming out there at SanAngelo ISD, and then you have a phenomenal band. You have Go Band, okay? So you have great things at every school. So students and parents should just look at all the different opportunities and find the one that fits your needs.
So what are you doing here today?
So we're here on a visit. We have a representative from TEA, that's called the Texas Education Agency, and she is over the CTE programs for the state, and she has come to visit our TLCA, SanAngelo High School campus, to visit some of the various career and technical education classes that we offer, including AV, culinary arts, welding, and we're here in the Tango Flight room now.
What did you think of these programs today?
So I thought it was really awesome to be able to see the students in action. That's one of the things we love to do is just come around and see what students are learning and how they're working and how they're enjoying their work. And the students are doing amazing things on this campus.
So what's a little bit of what you saw today?
So one of the things that we saw was the making of the Eagle TV morning announcements. That was I had the chance to visit the classroom last year, and it was in a portable, and then this year moving over into the new space has been really awesome to see what they're able to use and the new equipment that they've been able to get. And then we also were in the culinary arts area where they're making almost 500 different desserts. They had 25 recipes going. Kids were everywhere making very, very different things, and they're all getting ready for I guess they're supplying the desserts for the Concho Christmas event that SanAngelo has. And so watching them in action has been really cool. Yeah, so we love to see our TLCA students succeeding, and that's something that we like to showcase as much as possible. And this campus, you guys know how special it is for someone like me who comes just to visit every once in a while. It's a very special place, and so we love, you have great teachers, great administration, and the students are very respectful, and you can just tell that they love school and love what you're doing here. So I'm very impressed.
That's all for today's episode of Eagle Eye on Eagle TV. Thank you all for watching. I would also like to give a big thanks to Luke's Cage for sponsoring today's episode.